this Sunday, April 2nd, the Lakers are facing the Memphis Grizzlies tonight. Ooh, that was a mouthful.
Episode 2 of Puppy Predictions was actually a huge success. Bucky's predictions were accurate. The Warriors did beat the Rockets.
Now, one is a playoff team, and the other, not so much. Bottom of the Western Conference. Okay. Really digest what's going on between these two teams. All right. On your mark. Get set.
Hi.
Okay, well, he's going.
That
Bucky chose the Grizzlies. He's not even looking back.
Thank you guys for watching Puppy Prediction. Make sure you tune into our Mike Conley interview.